Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: a producer of product X is most likely to be a monopolist when option A. There are close substitutes for product X. Option B. There are no close substitutes for product X and there are barriers to entry into the industry. Option C. A single firm owns the patent for manufacturing product X but other firms can sell product Y which is a close substitutes for product X. Option D. There are no close substitutes for product X and there are no barriers to entry into the industry. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.